What if your hands could reveal a health symptom about your heart? Let's explore the symptoms. Have you ever noticed small lumps on your knuckles? You might think it's just arthritis, but these bumps could be sending you a different message. In this video, we'll explore a surprising link between hand bumps and cholesterol. We will share what foods can help you naturally reduce cholesterol levels, including a few easy smoothie recipes. Most people associate rheumatoid arthritis with joint pain, stiffness, or swelling, especially in the fingers. And yes, that's true. Rheumatoid arthritis, usually abbreviated as RA, is an autoimmune condition that mistakenly causes the body to attack its joints. But here's something not everyone knows. Some people with moderate to severe RA get firm bumps under the skin called rheumatoid nodules, usually near joints like the knuckles. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not all knuckle lumps are from arthritis. Some could be small fat deposits caused by high cholesterol. These are called xanthomas, little yellowish or skin-colored bumps on hands, elbows, or knees. High cholesterol doesn't always cause symptoms. That's why it's often called the silent risk. But in some cases, your body may leave little clues, like those bumps. If you spot small, firm lumps on the back of your fingers or near your joints, and they don't hurt, it might be a good idea to get your cholesterol checked. These bumps can be an early warning sign even if you feel healthy otherwise. If this surprised you, hit the subscribe button. We share weekly science-backed health tips to help you prevent issues before they become serious. As we age, the risk of high cholesterol increases, especially for people who already deal with chronic inflammation like arthritis. And since both RA and high cholesterol raise your risk for heart problems, noticing something like knuckle bumps can help you take action early. High cholesterol can lead to serious health issues, such as heart disease and stroke, making it crucial to address it as soon as possible. Rheumatoid nodules from arthritis usually appear in people with joint pain or stiffness. These bumps might be slightly movable under the skin. Cholesterol-related bumps tend to sit on top of the skin and feel a bit firmer. Still, they can look very similar. The best way to know? Get a simple blood test from your doctor. This test involves a quick, painless blood draw, usually from your arm. This test can provide you with important information about your heart health. The good news? You don't need extreme diets or expensive supplements. There are everyday foods that can help naturally lower your cholesterol. Everyday foods that can help lower cholesterol include oats and barley, great for breakfast. They help flush out bad cholesterol. Beans and lentils, filling and heart healthy. Great in soups or salads. Fruits like apples, berries, and pears. Naturally sweet and full of cholesterol-fighting fiber. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and other greens support heart health. Nuts such as almonds and walnuts are packed with good fats. Seeds like chia seeds and flax seeds are small but mighty. Avocados, full of healthy fats. Try them on toast or in smoothies. Olive oil, use it in place of butter or vegetable oil. Soy foods, tofu, soy milk, and edamame can help slightly lower cholesterol. Fatty fish, salmon and sardines are rich in omega-3, which are good for the heart. Eating more of these can make a real difference over time. Now let's look at some tasty smoothies that could support cholesterol health. The first easy but effective smoothie that you could make is berry oat smoothie. You will require 1/2 cup oats, about 40 grams, soaked for 10 minutes. 1 cup mixed berries, around 150 grams. 1 banana, 1 tablespoon flax seeds or chia seeds, about 10-12 grams. 1 cup almond or soy milk, approximately 240 milliliters. Blend and enjoy a fiber-packed heart helper. The second cholesterol-healthy smoothie you could make is the green avocado smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 avocado, 1 cup spinach, roughly 30 grams, 1 green apple, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, about 10 grams, 1 cup water, about 240 milliliters. Squeeze of lemon, optional. Blend well for a creamy, cholesterol-friendly drink. The third, and one of my favorite smoothies, is the tropical omega-3 smoothie. For this, we need 1/2 cup pineapple, about 80 grams, 1/2 cup mango, around 80 grams, 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds, 10 grams, 1 tablespoon walnuts, roughly 7 grams, and 1 cup plain yogurt or kefir, 240 milliliters. You can add crushed ice for added freshness. Blend and sip your way to a tropical omega-3 rich boost. Final thoughts and health tip recap. So next time you notice something unusual on your hands, don't ignore it. Those small lumps on your knuckles could be more than arthritis. They might be early signs of high cholesterol. Remember, the sooner you act, the better. Early detection is key and puts you in control of your health. Proper diet, small changes, and regular health checks can go a long way, especially as we age. These are simple steps, but they can make a big difference. Look at your hands. Eat foods that protect your heart. Talk to your doctor if anything seems off. Most importantly, don't wait for symptoms to take action. If you found this helpful, please like it and share it with someone who might need to hear it. By sharing this information, you could be helping someone take control of their health. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-based health content here on Body Fuel Science. Stay healthy, stay curious.